5 Secrets to a Timeless Kitchen. Dear friends, classic kitchens refer to a design and look that will remain timeless and fresh for years to come. Given the amount of time, effort, and money spent on designing a kitchen, everyone wants something that will last longer and look ageless. Here are some design tips to help you design a classic kitchen. Classic kitchen design tip 1. Choose a classic color combination. What is the first thing that you notice about a kitchen? Isn't it the color combination used for the cabinets? When designing a classic kitchen, you should keep in mind that a classic color combination will go a long way in making or breaking the look. Combinations like white and gray, white and brown and all wooden cabinets are timeless choices. They never go out of fashion and allow you to experiment a little with other elements. Make sure you steer clear of starkly contrasting colors as they can lose appeal over time. Classic kitchen design tip 2. Install a basic backsplash. There are 2 kinds of classic backsplash options. One is for people who like a basic look without any prints and the other is for people who want something different but classic. If you fall in the first category, you should opt for a solid backsplash in a muted color like off-white, white, gray and so on. For everyone else, there's Moroccan pattern that is huge this season and has the potential to remain timeless. While choosing prints, make sure you go subtle and avoid very busy variations. Classic kitchen design tip 3. Try classic flooring. Similar to the backsplash, your kitchen flooring can also be divided into solids and patterns. If you are someone who wants to go basic, then a warm wooden flooring is the right choice for you. On the other hand, if prints and patterns are your thing, then opt for classic patterns like herringbone and checkered flooring. These look lovely and almost never go out of style. As for prints, chintz is another great option and Turkish tiles also make for interesting but evergreen flooring. Classic kitchen design tip 4. Opt for functional storage. Whether you are designing your kitchen for optimum storage or not, it is always advisable to opt for modules that will serve their purpose for a long time to come. To keep your kitchen looking timeless, make sure you select long-lasting materials and finishes that are easy to maintain. Certain modules that are sure to make your kitchen an efficient space to work in, for times to come are Lazy Susie, D-Tray, Magic Corner and Lemon's Corner units. Classic kitchen design tip 5. Add sectional lights. Lights play a major role in deciding the look and feel of any space. And, when it comes to kitchens, it becomes increasingly important to choose lights that will serve some purpose in the future as well. Think recessed wall lights and profile lights as focus lighting. In-cabinet lighting is a great option for making way for efficient lighting. If you're a fan of pendant lights, then you should definitely get a couple for your breakfast counter. These are great options for creating sectional lights that is sure to be useful in the future. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.